New Youngblood single just dropped. It's called God Save Me, but Don't Drown Me Out. And I'm going to teach you how to play on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. Now, first I want to show you the lead line. It's pretty much playing during the entire song. So for this, you're just going to bar the B and high E strings on the 5th fret with your pointer finger. And all put together, it sounds like this. So the intro and verse are made up of 5 chords, the first of which is a D major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 7th fret. Next is an E major bar chord, so you're just going to take the D major bar chord and move it up 2 frets. Next is an F sharp minor chord, so you're going to bar the 9th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string. Next is a C sharp minor chord, so you're just going to take the F sharp minor chord and move it down to the 4th fret. Then you're going to do that whole chord progression 2 more times. Then we're going to go to a B minor chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string. Then C minor or C sharp minor, D major, and all put together it sounds like this. Now the chorus. So for the chorus, we're going to start on an F sharp minor chord, which we already learned. Then an E major chord, which we also learned already. Then a D major chord, which we also learned already. Then an A major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string. Then we're going to go to an E with a G sharp bass. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 4th fret of the low E string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string. Then you're going to do that whole progression 2 more times. Then you're going to do the first 4 chords again. Except instead of going to the E with the G sharp bass, we're going to go back to the E major bar chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. So for the bridge, we're going to start on the D major bar chord, which we already learned. Then the E major bar chord, which we also learned already. Then the C or the F sharp minor chord, which we also learned. Then the C sharp minor chord, which we also learned. then the B minor chord, C sharp minor, D major, then you do that whole thing again. Then we're going to go to the F sharp minor chord, E major, D major, A major, the G or the E with the G sharp bass, then back to the F sharp minor, E major, D major. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for God Save Me, But Don't Drown Me Out. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.